Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing well and everything in your side going on positive, smoothly and perfect. Am I right? I hope so. And guys, now morning 8 o'clock and weather is very calm, blowing pleasant wind, birds chirping. Among that, I came this side for morning walk. Have a look. And this side looking very beautiful. And guys, today there is no more class, no more lecture, nothing. Whatever you want, you can do study as per your wish. And I hope you guys are enjoying my videos well. Am I right? And guys, this is my 15th day of 30-day challenge to upload single video on YouTube daily. And actually guys, I am learning British accent and I'm trying to implement that in my videos also. You know guys, today I want to explore one abandoned building in Pondicherry University. Actually, I heard about that and that is no more in use and completely barren, haunted. Let's see if I will find that, then I will explore today. If you visited first time on my YouTube channel, then please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel and show your love and support. Guys, now it's been time for morning breakfast, so I should leave from here and come, let's go. Let's brush our teeth. After that, let's go for breakfast. Now I'm going for breakfast and review days are very extreme today. Friends, have a look. This is my morning breakfast: sambar, milk, and dosa. And here you can see other students are also enjoying their morning breakfast. So I also do. Let's see you later. Now I finished my breakfast and going back to my room. Now I finished my all works, washing clothes, room cleaning, and I took bath also. Now it's been time for lunch, and I'm going mess to have lunch. So come, let's go. Guys, finally our education minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, has resigned from his post of education minister, and at that time I was sleeping in my room and I heard some noise. Then I came out and I saw some students were celebrating. Let me show you that clip. And guys, I don't want to say much more thing here because this is very sensitive topic. Just I will say this could be better initiation for better education, and this is victory of students, victory of truth, victory of dedication, and victory for better education system. That's all. So come with me, let's show you abandoned building of Pondicherry University. Okay, from here I'm showing you. And friends, from here you can see this is that building that is no more in use. I'm going there, so come with me, let's show you from near. Now I'm going from this side, you can see, and this is my hostel. Come with me, let's show you. Oh, this side there is no way to go there. Actually that is boundary, and here also no way is looking to go that side. I think I have to go from another side. Okay, so come, let's go from another side. I will try to go there. Guys, here you can see one way is looking, so I'm going through this. Let's see if this way is go that side, then I will reach there. Otherwise again I have to return back from there. And you can see lots of trees are here available, and this university is full of greenery and lots of trees and all that. So I'm going there. Okay, come with me. This is a kind of adventure, and I like to spend time with nature. And here also you can see there is a boundary wall, and I think from here also I couldn't go there. Guys, I came here, and you can see in my background lots of trees are there, and this is one way, and I'm feeling very fear. Shall I go that side or not? Actually this way is open, and shall I go that side? let's try from that side. And now I'm going to that side. Oh, actually here lots of bushes are available, and looking no way, no chance to go that side. So what should I do to reach there? I'm not getting any point. Actually, I will go there. I'm not that person who give up. And guys, here you can see some electrical appliances are looking, but no need to go there. And this is view of evening. And what should I do? I'm not getting any point, friends. Actually, I want to go there, but I'm not getting way how to go there. Let's leave from here, because here also no mean to stay. And now I'm going through another way. Let's try. Now I'm going back from here because I didn't get any way to reach there. But one day I will go there to explore that building. And after becoming disappointed, I have to return back from here. Okay, so let's go to hostel. Guys, from here I'm showing that building. That is the building that is completely bare and no more in use. Actually, I couldn't get way to reach there, but one day I will go there somehow. And you can experience from here that is completely bare and haunted. Okay, so what should I do? So guys, after doing lots of effort to reach there, to reach that building, to explore that building, I came in my room because I couldn't find the way how to reach there. And actually I was very much excited, very much enthusiastic to explore that building, why that building is no more in use, what is the reason. But ultimately I couldn't reach there. And unfortunately, by being disappointed, I have to return back to my room. And here I have one target to explore that building in next video. Okay, so here I'm going to finish this vlog. And I hope you really enjoyed my vlog. And if you really enjoyed, then please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And show your love and support. I hope you will wait for that video. Okay, so let's meet you in another vlog. Till then, Jai Hind, take care, bye bye.